there guys, I'm back again and you guys can see my face again. My eyelids have not yet completely healed. As you probably can tell, it's still a bit red. They're still very textured because they got like not bumps but holes in them. It will all heal within like 3 to 4 months, so it's gonna take a while. But I'm back, and behind me, no, over there, behind me are presents. Today it's the 5th of December, which means it's Sinterklaas, and I got a hell of a lot of presents, as y'all saw. My family's gonna come over and we're gonna celebrate together in a small group that is allowed during Corona times. Okay, but before we get started with the December unboxing of the Lookfantastic box, I just want to remind y'all to check out my giveaway. The holidays are almost here. I would so love for it to reach 600 subscribers before December 25th, like on Christmas, because I want to give away something new that will be so amazing during the holidays. So if y'all can help me out by subscribing and like the video and leave a comment down below on that video. It's one of my old videos. It's very easy to find. It literally says giveaway. So make sure to check it out. Don't forget, because we're so close to 600. And like I said, I really want to give it away. So make sure that you, your friends, your mother, your father, your dog, everybody is subscribed to me. And we will reach 600 very fast. Okay, let's open up this box, and it says Merry Christmas with love from the Beauty Box team. This is the December edition, so I have pretty high expectations of this box. The paper is black, which I'm gonna rip to shreds again. Ooh, very festive. And this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's get started with the first item in here, which is from Percy & Reed London. It's Reassuringly Firm Session Hold Hairspray. Oh, this is awesome. I actually did my hair just now, but I do not have hairspray in just yet. So let's try that sucker out. That's a lot of aerosol. Doesn't smell too bad though, I will say that. We'll see what it does. It feels fine. My hair doesn't feel, you know, when your hair feels, what the hell was that? When your hair feels really crusty. I have to say, I don't feel that at all. It feels bouncy, it feels soft, so that's pretty cool. Okay, this clearly is not a full size. This is what that little sucker looks like. And we could get 2 different items. So I got the Percy & Reed hairspray. Oh, again, no pricing of the items? Huh. Okay, so I don't have the prices for y'all, I'm sorry. But we could also get the Sukin Sensitive Pink Clay Facial Mask. A mask was also very good, honestly, because I do have a lot of hairspray. But still, I like it. Unfortunately, there are no prices mentioned here. Yet again, it was like that last month as well. I'm not really sure why, but I don't know the worth of these items. So if you're really that interested, look it up online. Okay, moving on to Jekka Black Glow Drops. It's a vegan friendly and cruelty free highlighting primer for face. Primer? Huh, okay. Let me get it out of the... This is what that looks like. And, yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm going to use this. I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to have to look it up online. That's why I'm not going to open it. Because if this is like the glow, like the dewy, like the dew drops, you know, that you put underneath your face and then you put foundation over, which literally, especially if you have good foundation, conceals everything. So you won't be able to see these drops anyways. I don't really use this stuff. So let's check out the booklet. Oh, no prices. So there's absolutely no need to check out the booklet. I forgot. I don't know the worth of this. And honestly, maybe y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway. I'm not really sure. I have to see what I do with this. Okay, let's move on to a teeny tiny thing from Avant. It's the Age Radiance Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. Oh, it's for your eyes. That's pretty awesome. Apply in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eye area. Yeah, so this is what that little sucker looks like. Very eager to try it out. I know these, oh my God, and now I dropped it. Are you kidding me? It like tumbled all over the place. But I do know that these eye creams actually from Avant are quite expensive. So I have pretty high hopes for that one. Cannot wait to try it out. Let's move on to, this is glass. This is from Medic 8. It's the Hydro B5 Liquid Rehydration Serum. Oh, that is pretty cool because I literally emptied out my serum today. So this is what it looks like, very medicinally. That's not even a word, but let's just pretend it is. It looks pretty awesome and pretty cute. Oh, it's a dropper. Yes, it's a dropper, so I cannot wait to try this sucker out. No idea. I don't think it's a full size. Hold on, I can look up that in the booklet. I know the hairspray sure as hell is not a full size. The Jekka Black Champagne Glow Drops are 20 milliliters, and I'm just gonna assume it's not a full size because it didn't say full size. The drops, the Medic 8 Hydrate, idiot serum is 10 milliliters, that little? Yeah, so they're clearly not a full size either. Or you could get the Ren Atlantic Kelp body lotion. So I'm really glad I didn't get the body lotion because I have plenty of body lotion. Okay, let's move on to a brush, a double-ended eye brush from Brush Works, and this is what the brush is supposed to look like. Always happy to receive a brush. You know, you can never really have enough brushes, honestly, because after a couple of years, you know, they wear off. You definitely need to have a new one, especially if you use it a lot. So this is pretty cool. We have a like liner brush, like an edged liner brush, clearly. And this kind of stuff I always use to pat on glitter on my eye. So this, oh, that's too close, I'm sorry. This is what the upper section looks like, and then there we go. See? Pretty cool as well. And then we have one last thing in this box, which is from, oh, it's from the Balm. Pedal to the Metal, Vava Vroom Cream Eye, oh, cream eyeshadow. Oh God, no, my cream, I hate cream eyeshadows. Okay, this is what it looks like, but I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I hate, absolutely loathe cream eyeshadows. I cannot stand cream on my eyes. I don't like it. That's why I can't use oils on my eyes either, because it drives me crazy. Since this is a cream eyeshadow, I don't know. I'm gonna probably give it away to one of you guys, but wait a minute. It says cream eyeshadow, but it doesn't look like a cream? I don't know. But honestly, the color in here as well is not necessarily my favorite color. So yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna pass this along in a giveaway. So make sure, by the way, good loop, make sure to check out the giveaway, because this is the kind of stuff that I put in those giveaways. And like I said, as soon as that giveaway will end, a next giveaway will start, and maybe I'll just put this sucker in. You never know. So make sure to check it out. And then that is the end, guys. That is it for this month's box. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Is that right? 5? No, excuse me, 6. One fell on the floor. Kind of disappointed. Like, I'm not gonna lie, there's hardly anything that is a full size in here except for clearly the brush and maybe the eyeshadow, but the rest is all, yeah, the eyeshadow and the brush are full size, and the rest is all, it's not really a festive box. It's a shitty year, and it's a shitty way to end a shitty year. That's the only thing I can say. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section and down below, what do you guys think about the last, well, I guess what was supposed to be festive box of 2020. I don't see a lot of festive in here, but that's just me. Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!